Dear Janez Janša, dear friends, dear delegates, I hardly need to emphasize what connects us. The Civic Democratic Party, my party, and the Slovenian Democratic Party have very friendly relations built on the strong foundation of a common liberal conservative view of politics, on common values. Together we are fighting for freedom, democracy and peace throughout the world. Together we are opposing leftist populism and the unrestrained spending of taxpayers' money. Together we are implementing essential reforms to ensure that our children have a future, that they will live in prosperity, security and safety. Janez Janša, my friend, is without a doubt an excellent representative of these values and knows how to fight to implement them, not only in your country, in Slovenia, but also in the whole Europe. The people coming to vote in the upcoming elections should not forget that. 2004 was one of the most important years in the development of the young Slovenian state. It was the year in which Slovenia was incorporated into the Euro-Atlantic structures, into NATO and the European Union. At the moment, Slovenia became a fully fledged part of an alliance of countries that share the same values, in particular freedom and democracy, which are protecting civilization and culture and creating a common area of prosperity, security and stability. As a democratic and confident state responsible for its own further development, Slovenia has launched itself on a new path, a path that offers its citizens prospects for track spiritual, cultural and material development. Today Slovenia is on the right track that leads to the right, to paraphrase the election slogan of my own party. The Slovenian Democratic Party has carried out the right reforms. The economy is stable and posting high growth figures. The changes over recent years are improving the quality of life of its citizens and are their hope for the future. All of this should not be forgotten, and I believe that it will not be. I wish all the people in Slovenia the best prospects. I wish you, our friends in the Slovenian Democratic Party, success in the upcoming elections. I hope that Janez Janša continues to be the successful leader not only of his own party, but also of the whole country. It's precisely he who is guaranteed that the successful development seen in recent years will continue. Good luck, my friends.